Hey Tony, so as promised, I have here a quick video that's going to help you get everything set up so you can send regular posts out through Facebook and through Twitter. So what you'll want to do first is you go to a site called buffer.com and you sign up for free. And when you sign up for free, you're just going to have to link your Facebook page and your Twitter page, your Twitter handle, to this account. So then when you go to Nearest and you go to your profile, so higherself, there you are, and you click on your promotions, you'll see that there's all these different social media buttons. You should see the buffer one there. It's black with 3 white squares, but if you don't see it, you can click on the plus sign and it'll show up all the other social media outlets that we have. You can load more and you'll find it. It's all alphabetical. So then once you click on the buffer from your profile on Nearest to send a promotion, it automatically loads into your Facebook and to your Twitter pages. So you can click on them and say, I'm sharing it on it'll say higher self profile, and then it talks about the promotion already built in. You can click on the image that you want to include in there if you would like. Any of the pictures that it suggests from Nearest you can add there too. Like if you want to talk about your daily jackpot, you can put that in there. And then you can add that to the queue. So you either share now or you can schedule it. So let's say Monday morning you wanted to schedule one post a day to go out on Facebook or Twitter. Then you would just say at what time you wanted to schedule it. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks. Bye.